Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. As you can see, I've been directed to the digital well-being, but if you will open this option for the very first time, you will have to simply tap on the digital well-being because you will be able to choose between the well-being and the parental controls. So as you can see, right in the middle, we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and I've been using it for almost half an hour. And here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. And basically, you can check some further details using two different ways. So firstly, you can tap right in the middle of this graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the data for each day of the week. As you can see, I've been using it today for almost 30 minutes, but yesterday for 15 minutes. Under it, you've got all the apps listed, so the apps which you've been using. Here you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Now we can go back, and the second way to check some details is to simply directly tap on the particular app. So for example, the settings. And as you can see, again, we've got this graph, but right now it is connected only with this particular app. So I've been using it yesterday for 11 minutes and today 15 minutes. You can change the screen time again to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. So let me go back. And basically, this is how to check the total screen time. But here I wanted to show you also the ways to disconnect. It's worth saying that, for example, if you will use the bedtime mode or focus mode, you will be able to limit the notifications, which is quite a cool option. If you need, for example, time for yourself, you need to work or just sleep. For example, after entering the focus mode, you will be able to pick the distracting apps, so the apps from which you are receiving the most notifications. You can mark them. So for example, the camera, you can set a schedule, so you can pick the particular days in which your device will limit the notifications from this app. You can pick the start time and end time. So that's quite a cool option, and I really feel that it is useful. Under it, you've got also the options to reduce the interruptions. You've got manage notifications and do not disturb mode, and here you can enter the parental controls. So actually, this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.